Hello viewers, many people are confused between iPad Air M3 and Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. But before buying any of these two devices, you must know your priorities. iPad Air M3 comes with M3 chipset, which is very powerful. You will definitely enjoy editing on iPad Air M3, plus the display is laminated. In that case also you will feel that the display is brighter and color accurate. So in terms of multimedia consumption, I think iPad Air M3 will be a very good option. Similarly, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 also comes with AMOLED display and you will thoroughly enjoy the display. You will get deeper blacks and the color saturation is excellent, and we all know that Samsung displays are the best in the market. So in terms of multimedia consumption, you will definitely enjoy your tablet watching content on Tab S9. However, if you compare Samsung and iPad display, I think iPad has an edge because it feels brighter and there is a warmer tone. But if you like cooler tone, in that case Samsung display will definitely please you. Note taking is another area where Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 excels. The pen support is very good, there is palm rejection, and you will feel zero latency with the S Pen that you will get in the box of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Writing experience is equally good on iPad Air M3. But you will not get iPencil in the box, you have to buy it separately. If you don't want to use iPencil, in that case you can use third-party iPencil. If you want to buy any third-party iPencil, in that case you can definitely buy Kingone iPencil. I have been using this Kingone iPencil for a couple of months and I must say that the battery backup of this iPencil is very good, and also there is little latency while writing on the screen. So if you want to buy this iPencil, I will put the link in the description below. Now in the conclusion, I will say that if you like Android tablet, in that case you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 for video editing, video rendering, online classes, multimedia consumption, etc. In Amazon.in, many people bought this tablet at a price point of 33,000 rupees. So I think this is the best price for this tablet. Don't buy this tablet above 30,000 or 33,000 price bracket. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy iPad Air M3, in that case the best price for this iPad is around 42,000 rupees from Amazon.in. iPad Air M3 is ideal for watching contents, for video rendering in 4K 60 FPS, and also in writing department. So you have to make the decision which tablet or iPad you want to buy. And in Holi sale, I don't think you will get that much of discount that you have already got in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival. If you want to get that much of discount, you have to wait till Big Billion Days sale that will occur in the month of September or October 2026. So hope this video has become informative to you. You have now a clear idea about the best price of these two devices. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any of these two devices. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you.